Welcome back to the Strawberry Kitchen collection. Today we are making the third piece in this collection, a little strawberry kitchen bench with a drawer underneath. I really like this piece because it is one of those small items that can make a miniature kitchen feel much more lived in. You can place it near a kitchen cabinet, under a window, or simply use it as a little storage bench. And of course, the drawer gives us a little extra space for all those tiny kitchen things that somehow always need a place to hide. As always, take your time with the cutting and especially with the folding. These small parts may look simple, but neat folds make a surprisingly big difference when everything comes together. I like to score the fold lines first and then bend the paper gently, rather than trying to make the fold in one movement. This helps keep the edges straight and makes the finished piece look much cleaner. The design follows the same style as the other pieces in the collection. Warm light wood on the inside, distressed strawberry red details on the outside, and of course plenty of strawberries. I wanted this bench to feel like it has always belonged in the same little kitchen, perhaps sitting there for years, collecting a few scratches and a little bit of character along the way. And I think the drawer makes it even more useful, because even in a tiny kitchen, there is never enough storage. Once the main structure is assembled, we can add the decorative details and the strawberry design. This is always my favorite part, because suddenly a collection of flat printed pieces starts looking like an actual little piece of furniture. And that is really the magic of paper miniatures. A few sheets of paper, some careful cutting and folding, and suddenly you have a tiny piece of furniture with its own little personality. And that is our third piece finished. I hope you enjoyed making this little strawberry bench with me. It is a small piece, but I think it adds a lot of warmth to the collection, especially when combined with the larger cabinets. We are slowly building this little kitchen one piece at a time, and there are still plenty more strawberry pieces waiting for us. Thank you so much for crafting with me. And I hope you have a relaxing and happy time creating your own miniature world. Happy crafting!